Hi, how you doing? Merry Christmas from a cold but unfortunately very damp northern Scotland. No snow, at least in this bit anyway. I think there might be some further down by Carbridge and Aviemore, but it's always cold there anyway. Now, if you bought your Osmo Pocket 3 like I did because of the 1-inch sensor and the belief that you thought you would get great night lapses and star lapses, you'd have been disappointed to find that the maximum manual exposure shutter speed was 1 second. And I was quite annoyed at that. I tried to do a star lapse and it just wasn't happening, wasn't working. But then I read a snippet on Facebook yesterday that said that if you auto lock or just lock the exposure to auto and then set the ISO speed to 50 to 100 or 50 to 200 or 50 to 400, one of the lower ones anyway, the auto exposure would set a longer exposure than 1 second, and in practice it does work. You can get up to 25 to 30 seconds exposure by experimenting and doing it in the dark and setting your ISO speed accordingly. So I tried it last night. We had a wee brief break from the rain and we had some stars out. So I took this wee time lapse here that you're watching now, hopefully, if I haven't messed up. But also we had some nacreous clouds at sunset. I missed the ones in the morning, but I did manage to get some of the ones in the evening, albeit not on my Pocket 3. Anyway, just to let you know that there is hope. We might be able to get longer exposure times, and hopefully in a firmware update in the future, DJI will allow us to set manual exposure times up to 30 seconds or something. I think the Pocket 2 had 15 seconds and the Pocket 1 had even longer than that. I don't know, I didn't have those cameras, but it was just a bit of a letdown to have such a brilliant camera restricted in such a way. But the rest of it is awesome. I'm not whinging, I'm just letting you know that there is hope, and I'll be playing with this in the future, hopefully get some good star lapses out, because I like that kind of shit. Anyway, Merry Christmas, bye.